Hi, how's it going, human people? My name's Mike. I make custom AI chatbots. It's like ChatGPT, but just for your company. And today I'm going to take a look at a demo I made for webbuzz, which is a digital marketing company in Australia, I assume. We'll find out. Um, and the reason I'm making these free demos for digital marketing companies is because I'm hoping to find some that would like to partner with me in a white label fashion to offer my chatbot development services to their clients under their brand. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love to hear from you. Let's see here. The first one I'm going to take a look at is the knowledge bot. Now, I took the information available from their website. Sometimes I use their Google reviews. Sometimes I create a schema, a JSON LD graph based on of FAQs from their Google reviews. And it just depends on how ambitious I'm feeling when I make a particular demo. Not sure how deep I went in with this demo, but the knowledge bot has information about the company, basically, is what I'm trying to say, that allows it to answer questions. Um, where is WebBuzz located? Oops, I don't know about this one. Who is the founder of WebBuzz? Now, I am making videos going from my most oldest demo to towards my newest one. So some of these I made a while ago, and honestly, my ability to make them has been improving. So I don't know about this one. This one is looking like it doesn't know anything about the company. I, yeah, I don't know why that is. That's kind of weird. I'll have to look into this probably. What can you tell me about WebBuzz? Why should I choose WebBuzz over their competitors? All right. I don't know. I think there's something wrong with that knowledge graph. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So hopefully I will be deleting this video and uploading a better one, but you know what? We got to push onward for now. So yeah, the browser bot is connected to the pages on their WordPress, and I can filter it so it only shows certain pages, or I can curate it so it only shows the chosen pages. Uh, but when you click on a page, it will go ahead and grab the content of that page and pull it into chat, and then you can chat about it. But what you can also do is go ahead and click on the link provided if you would just like to see the web page in its original format. There we go. And I'm going to click main menu here to list the bots again. If I want to just delete the chat history, can obviously just press new chat. So the blog feed bot is similar to the browser bot, but instead of being connected to the pages, it is connected to the blog posts. But I won't pull in the full content of the blog post because I don't want to be accused of trying to steal people's content. I'm not trying to do that. I am interested in AI visibility, generative engine optimization, and JSON LD. Those are truly the only topics I'm interested in. If you try to talk to me about other things, I will zone out. Awesome. Understanding JSON LD for SEO, the role of AI in modern SEO strategies. These guys have got some good blog posts going. Hopefully they're real and not hallucinations. Let's find out. Oh no, they are hallucinations. That is so bad. Yeah, there's something wrong with this, with the connection to the. So if it has real blog posts to work with, it will show real blog posts. But if it doesn't, it will hallucinate. Now, the reason it hallucinates is just because I haven't updated the system prompts to tell it to not do so. That's all it is. Anyways, let's take a look at the webbuzz review bot. The point of the review bot is to maximize the SEO value of each review because your Google reviews are very important for which terms you rank for. If those terms are showing up in your reviews, you're gonna rank for them more likely. So what we want to do is ask people a couple of questions to steer them towards topics we would like them to talk about, and then naturally weave in the target keywords into the review. So first question, did webbuzz improve your website's rankings? Yes, it improved the website's rankings so immensely. They were so responsive. I was confused in the way that you get confused when you order Chinese food and they get it to you too fast. Um, that's a fantastic analogy. I'm glad that ChatGPT appreciates my theft of Louis C.K.'s material in addition to his physical appearance. Super high ROI. I had an amazing experience with webbuzz. It significantly improved my website's rankings, which has been a game changer for my business. The team was incredibly responsive. Yeah, okay. So there you go. So we can change the questions, we can change the number of questions, and we can change the target keywords. And but ultimately, it's going to craft that, give you a convenient copy button, and a link that brings you directly to the Google Business profile so that you can paste that review. Now, if this wasn't an SEO company, if it was like a restaurant or something, a nail salon, we could have QR codes and smart cards that bring you to the review bot, that bring clients to the review bot, that they could be given, immediately after utilizing the services of the business. And another thing I would like to say is that basically any of these bots could be independent, could be used independently, or they could be integrated in such a way that they're not like displayed separately here. It just intelligently chooses between them behind the scenes in a way the user doesn't know. And one thing I'd really like to do, and I haven't done it yet, although it wouldn't take a whole lot of developing, is to make it so that for each response you get a knowledge answer, a post answer, and a knowledge answer, a blog answer, and a browser answer. So you get an answer and then related pages with excerpts from the pages, and then related blog posts with excerpts from the blog posts. That would be ideal. All right, this was fun to make, but I'm probably going to delete it. If I don't delete it and you watched it here, thank you so much for watching it, even though probably nobody should ever watch this since 90% of the things that I just made were broken.